Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another comical culinary critique on delicious recipes. Today, we're diving into the world of, wait for it, garlic cheese potatoes. Oh yes, with a whopping 14 million views, this recipe has been praised as perfect and crispy. But let's take a closer look, shall we? Firstly, our brave chef begins by peeling 750 grams of potatoes. They comment on the potato's inner whiteness as though it's an unexpected surprise, like finding a winning lottery ticket in your pocket. Ah, the thrilling life of a potato. Then the potatoes are cut into wedges and tossed into a hot spa of salted water. Relaxing, right? After a 20-minute soak, they're gently blotted dry. It's like a day at the potato spa, complete with a hot soak and a gentle towel pat. Who knew we were pampering potatoes here? Now here's where things get interesting. The potatoes are put in a plastic bag, seasoned, and then shaken. Yes, you heard that right, folks. These potatoes just went from a spa day to a roller coaster ride. Buckle up, spuds. Next, they're sprinkled with a curious mix of Parmesan, cornstarch, or potato starch, if you're feeling cannibalistic, oregano, paprika, salt, garlic, and breadcrumbs. It's like a disco party for potatoes, with Parmesan as the disco ball. After a good shake, the potatoes are laid out on parchment and shoved into a preheated 365 degrees oven for 40 or 50 minutes. The chef pokes them with a toothpick to check if they're well baked. It's a potato, not a Thanksgiving turkey, but who am I to judge? While the potatoes are getting a suntan in the oven, our chef whips up a super easy cheese sauce. Milk, cheddar, butter, and sriracha sauce are all microwave nuked for 30 seconds. Because, let's face it, why would we bother with a saucepan when we've got a microwave? Finally, the crispy and delicious garlic cheese potatoes are ready. They're crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and apparently taste good even without the sauce. Which begs the question, why did we bother making it? In conclusion, if you're into extreme potato pampering, seasoning roller coasters, microwave sauces, and unnecessary toothpick tests, this is the recipe for you. But for us, we'll stick to our simpler, less traumatizing potato dishes. Until the next time, keep cooking, keep laughing, and remember, a potato is not a turkey. Goodbye, and thank you for joining us on this hilariously wild culinary ride.